to match the top keep still Big Thunder Mountain.
Scanner détecte plus de problèmes dans le secteur 9. Aucun doute, c'est l'œuvre de cet abominable criminel, l'ennemi juré de l'Alliance Iran.
Little green alien.
Hang on, it's white. It's not doing it.
Well, here we are, back at Disney. And there they are, ready to go on Thunder Railroad. This is the secret little walkway nobody knows about. And it takes you straight to an Frontierland. I was going to say Adventureland. We're out. She's rushing to her railroad. She wants a photo. There's the railroad. Here it goes. Background is my favourite haunted mansion. Around the drones.
Okay.
Wow, what a good view. Watching the drones. We are the only ones going to Phantom Manor, which is my favourite, and I'm out of breath because I've just climbed loads and loads of stairs. No one is around. Because everybody's watched the drones. This is a really good view. Wow.
Beware the phantom. Confusion mariée attend toujours l'homme de sa vie. Les volontaires.
We're the only ones. Look, there is nobody else. Just us. Going on the ride. They're locking Phantom Manor. Oh, oh. Fireworks, you can see them from here. They look pretty shit. Yes, that's nice. My Phantom Manor. People, the lights are on, but no one's home. This is a bit. There's Phantom Manor. Is anybody in there? Madame Leota.
Yeah, she's up at the window.
Who's she? Thunder Mountain. No one's home.
Look. In the middle.
We've got the ship. What's the boat called? We've got no one around. We're urban explorers. There's Thunder Railroad. There's a husband. There's Phantom Manor in the background, followed by a lovely tree. Go on, Ian. Give us some moves. No one around. The Lucky Horseshoe. No, Silver Spur Steakhouse. Georgie, no one's here. No one's home. Oh, did you like that?
I like that.
Come on then. We're liking that.